And lastly, the bridge pickup. You can tell the difference between the two. The profile of the pickup ring will be larger on the bridge pickup. Also make sure that the individual pole pieces are facing outward from each other. So that really just means that the higher edge faces back. You see I've just marked just with a small piece of green tape just to know which one's the neck and which one's the bridge. And so what I'm going to do first is just put the strings on the guitar and align the pickups to the individual pole pieces. It's not essential they're spot on, but it will help us align those pickups correctly. Okay, so once the strings are in place, just be aligning. So square the neck pickup off the fretboard and just align so that you're fairly even when it comes to the two outside magnetic pole pieces. Once you're happy with location, just go ahead and mark some pilot holes again. You'll see we've got a series of smaller screws here for the plastic cover and the scratch plate. And there should be 8 longer screws. They're the ones we'll be needing for our pickups.